Hello everybody to all of my friends, my auntie, uncle. You're watching right now my video. This is my first vlog because my brother is already here, came from India. Oh my goodness. I know that you're all excited about this. Hello my brother.
Hello sir, how are you?
How was your trip in we're in Western Union Airport right now. Do you see the chair? And my brother.
Gusto mo storya ba Bisaya tamay?
Oh my God! Don't speak that way because they will thought that we're just in the Philippines. We have to talk like in India. Oh yeah.
Sige,
So
hindi na tamo storya ba? Okay ra. Pero kung hindi ko storya ba, dili mo gyapon mo pasabutan Bisaya lang tabay.
oh my God, my brother cannot speak in Indian language because he thinks that you cannot understand it. So that's why I am your interpreter.
So,
So
ko naman Indian kay mga pusong Pinoy naman tayo meron.
how do I? How do I say? Right now we're in the I pick up my brother because we're in Western Union Victoria Plaza Airport. You see, there's a lot of chair. Priority number. Yeah, it's been a long time that we don't talk because there's a pandemic and I cannot go out in our house. But right now we're just touring around Victoria Plaza. So how was your trip right now, my brother?
Actually, so what do you want to say? English or Bisaya? Sige na,
Oh no, Bisaya lang ba yun? Maglisod ko.
Karon bay kay dugay kami magkita nga akong best friend na ko bay. Mulipay jud ko bay, mulipay.
Mulipay ka.
Yes.
Oh, nya sumbago ni mong likod.
Oh, gani sumbago na ko ba butol yung likod nimo.
Mangtasa sa kong brother. Because you know what, there are a lot of my friends who are asking me if what's the reason why I know how to speak in their accent. So that's the reason why, because my brother is Indian, of course. So I teach you a lot of things, right? What is the things that you learn from me? What style?
Lahat ba, ginatudlo ni mo sa iya takwa ba, kaya lahat ng panagtudlo before ba, hindi ko marunong mga Tagalog at Bisaya. Ikaw gyapon simo gyapon mo gikan tanan ba.
Oh no.
Before bito kay wala man pila mga best friend na between hours sa paano iba.
Oh no.
Simo jud ko gikan ba tanan mga Bisaya, ikaw ginatudlo sa ko.
Oh no.
Ginatudlo ko na ko sa mo Indian pod.
Yeah, that's the reason why I know how to speak in their accent. And do you still remember what I teach you? And you have your girlfriend there, the dog style. Joke lang. Joke lang ba?